Chris is asking, what can I put on a 6-month-old puppy that seems to have strained or sprained her back hind leg? She's a jumper. So if she's limping on it for more than a week, I would definitely have a vet check it out to make sure she didn't tear her ACL. Very, very common injury in dogs, especially if they're very, very high active and they jump a lot. In the meantime, you can do some diluted aroma touch. Again, like 4 to 6 drops in a 10 milliliter roller bottle, top it off with fractionated coconut oil, or just squirt a little bit of fractionated coconut oil in your hand with a drop of aroma touch and then massage over that leg. Go all the way from the spine and then down either the shoulder or the hip area down the leg, all the way down to the paws to massage that in. That can be really helpful. And then internally, a drop of frankincense and a drop of copaiba to help just with overall healthy inflammatory response.